Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if you like watching somebody spend way too much money, then please subscribe below. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you and your support. So today I am doing a shopping haul. Most of it is Charlotte Russe, but I do have a little bit of Rue21. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So first off, I have a dress. This is I think it's kind of a bodycon type midi dress, and it's just like a nice soft t-shirt material, like a thick t-shirt, but a t-shirt material, and it just has a button closure in the back. My first impressions of this are that it's going to be too snug on my bum. I try to size up a little bit on anything that tends to be this shape, but sometimes it still doesn't work out, so we shall see when we try this on. Next up, we have a lace pencil skirt, and it is just a very pretty, nude color with a black lace on top, and I just thought that'd be really pretty. This might be a little bit too sexy. I don't know. So when I was on the website, it was like, oh, this would be super cute. I have other lace pencil skirts that I love, but now that I have it, it looks kind of lingerie-ish. So we'll see. We'll see. So next up, I just have a simple black dress. Again, kind of a bodycon knee-length dress, simple black straps, no zipper or anything on it. Very simple, but I thought this would be a great base piece for lots of blazers and cardigans and things like that. So next up we have this shirt that I really took kind of a chance on. This is a linen shirt, so first of all it looks very wrinkled. A kind of a brownish mustard color. There is a button for tab sleeves on them, and essentially it is a, it's going to be difficult to show this way, but it is a wrap front shirt. There's a tie here, and then it's kind of longer in the back, quite a bit longer in the back. So hopefully it's not too long, but we shall see. And then we have this cardigan. It is a purple cardigan with some flowers on it, and has lace trim here at the end. Just a plain draping front cardigan, and I just thought it looked really pretty on the model, so we'll see how it looks on me. And then I have a couple pair of shoes. So that was all Charlotte Russe, and then I have a couple pair of shoes. This is Rue21. So we have pair of combat boots. They are gray and have a zip up on the side, even though they do have a tie here in the front. A zip up, a couple buckle details on the side, and I just thought they looked really cute. I'd been looking for a pair of combat boots and they were really affordable, so I got them. And then we have another thing I'd been looking for just pure wonderful comfortness, is kind of these sock tennis shoes, where you got the tie in the front, but you basically forget about it and you just slip your foot right in. And I really like these. I think these are cute. They're super comfortable. I've actually flown in these a couple times, and these are my new flying shoes. So, and together they were like buy one get one for $5 at Rue21. So I think they averaged out to maybe 15 bucks a piece. So can't beat that. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first off, we have this mustard linen shirt. This is not a winner for me. So it looked way better on the model, in my opinion, but let's evaluate. So first of all, I feel like the arms are just a little bit too baggy for my taste. I wish the arms were a little bit more form-fitted. I do like the wrap front and the tie, but I just don't know how I feel about this long tail on the back. It almost looks like it should be a dress, but it's just a shirt, and I don't know. I'm just not digging it. So this, I think, will be going back. Next up, just ignore the shirt. I just threw on a t-shirt. Next up, we have this black and tan lace skirt. It really fits great. It's not too short, it's not too tight. My biggest thing is just, it looks a lot, my biggest thing is it just looks a lot more sexy than I meant it to, so I just don't feel like it's really appropriate to wear to the office, so that's a little bit disappointing, but could be nice for a night out. So I still think it's a keeper. I think it'd be a great night out skirt with my husband, and I just won't be wearing it to the office. So let's go to the dresses next. Next up, we just have this simple black dress that is on its own. Again, not something I would wear to work on its own, but I think if I throw a cardigan on it, it makes it work appropriate. We shall see. I think it's great though. I think it's a cute dress. Again, I don't think it's too snug on the rear, which is always a thing that I battle with. It goes down to my knees, so it's a great length and fits all around. I just feel like it's a really great fit, so I'll do a little twirl here. Now, let's try it with a cardigan on. I'm just grabbing a green one that I had handy already because I just filmed my Bad Habit Boutique video as well. So let's throw this on. Not so sexy now, is it? So here we go with the long cardigan on it. I've got lots of long cardigans or blazers that I could wear over this. Again, I think it's a good versatile piece. I'm really been investing in some black dresses a lot just so I can layer things on top of them. So you guys let me know what you think. Tell me if I'm like way off base here and getting too scandalous for my job. Don't want to be scandalous. So, all right, you guys tell me what you think, and let's move on to the next dress. Here is this dress, and it is super, super soft, incredibly soft. I like that it's short sleeve. It has this high neck, which I think is a unique detail, and even like a little keyhole here in the back. Again, it's a great length. This one's slightly longer than the black one, and I think that's great. Biggest issue is this one is a little bit more snug, so it's kind of a little bit more outside of my comfort zone. Maybe with a long black cardigan, which I don't own yet, but I could own at some point. So maybe with a long black cardigan, then it'll kind of cover some of the tighter parts. So again, you guys let me know what you think. It's super soft, it's super comfortable, so I'd like to find a way to make this work for me. So I think that's it. So let's do a quick recap. All right, I realized I was missing a piece. It felt like something was missing. Okay, the cardigan. It is a lightweight cardigan, which I enjoy. I can kind of pull up the sleeves here. Usually I'm not big into florals, but for some reason I just thought that was really cute. Love the lace detail on the end, and I like that it's a longer cardigan. Again, it's one I can wear over kind of a tighter black dress like I have on now. So really happy with this cardigan. I think it's really cute, so you guys let me know what you think. Now let's go over the shoes. I almost forgot those as well. First up, we have the kind of sock tennis shoes, I guess you could say they are. And I'll say I wore these all around the Disney parks, and for comfort, they are 100%, though there's some wear inside the sole, so quality-wise, they're not as high as obviously more expensive shoes, but for what I paid for them, they are awesome, so really like these. Next up, we have the combat boots. Again, these are actually quite comfortable. I've worn these a few times, really like them. They're holding up great so far. They look a little bit cheaper, I'll say that, than a better quality boot, but I am really happy with these. These are super cute. Okay, let's do a recap now. All right, guys, just a quick recap on how we feel about each piece. The skirt I really like. I was hoping it was something I could wear to work, but instead it will be a date night skirt, but I'm still really happy with this. This dress was a bit snug, but I think if I wore a long black cardigan or something like that with it, then I think it won't seem so scandalous. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. This mustard top, going back, not a fan. The cardigan, love it. Fits great. I like the color and the flowers on it, so really happy with that. The black dress, I think it works well with cardigans on with it, so happy about that. Versatile piece that I could wear all sorts of cardigans and jackets and things like that. And then we have kind of this sock shoe. Again, I wore this all around Disney. It served me really well. It was comfortable. I had no blistering, no nothing, so I was really happy with that. It's risky to wear new shoes. Only thing is that the sole kind of, the fabric there kind of wore off a little bit in the back on one of the shoes. So again, you're not going to get the world's best quality when you're paying these kinds of prices, but I'm okay with that. They have paid for themselves already, in my opinion. And then we have the boot. Really love this. It's a cute boot. That's all I'm going to say about that. These are going to get good wear this fall / winter. Okay, that was it. That was my haul. Hopefully you guys had a good time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.